So for Chang Hua, we realized that there is actually a need to accelerate the adoption of technology to enable greater efficiency and productivity. This would then also allow our current employees to upskill and meet productivity demand more easily. In addition, because of the industry, the built environment is actually less attractive compared to other sectors due to the perception of harsh working conditions. So in the long run, if we do not keep all this, there will be potential loss of knowledge and experience if we do not establish a pipeline of talents. So OpenSpace actually allows us to cover all bases by documenting the entire site, covering every inch and every corner. This allows us to gain a greater understanding of the job site. And with the BIM Compare feature, we can use OpenSpace and compare our constructed versus the BIM model to ensure that we are constructing right. Also enables us to track our progress and schedule. This has helped us in improving our efficiency by having more transparency in the work, and also ease the entire documentation process by capturing a 360 view. So there will no longer be any finger pointing on site because we will have a very objective and accurate record of the job site. OpenSpace also allows us to be on the same page at the same time because all these visual records allows us to be able to discuss the issues without actually being present on site. Because photo speaks 1,000 words, we are be able to navigate the photo in 360 view to cover everything, and allows us to have more fruitful discussion from that. Without being physically on site, we can have close to real-time monitoring. We do have staff or even actually our workers walking the site almost every day to capture an of the site. Even if you be stakeholders without coming to the site, they can have a very clear and transparent view of whichever location that they want to go to see the progress, to see the quality, to see the safety aspects. All these are actually covered in OpenSpace. OpenSpace is very beneficial because we also save like traveling time. Like maybe when we are viewing at one location, we don't have to go back there to re-inspect, because sometimes like if with maybe normal 2D photo documentation, imagine we were to miss out one corner of the site, we will have to come back again. So this in terms of productivity is very helpful. I mean, in addition to our technical team and project team using OpenSpace, even our QS also adopt OpenSpace to do the verification and validation of the work done to process our claims. So this is totally 100% transparent, whereby everybody can see the work done because the dates of the captures are also there. So there is nothing to hide. In the safety aspects, it helps our safety personnel in terms of planning, risk mitigation, and to identify potential hazards, and as well as to address risks. As compared to previous manual photo documentation, there is actually a large reduction in terms of time and preparation works, because even with photo documentation we are unable to cover the entire site. There are still potential areas that we can miss out as compared to using OpenSpace 360 photo documentation. All these captures are uploaded into the cloud. We can review these on a periodical basis and use this as training materials. Because we are capturing this on a daily basis, we do have the records to do our documentation, be it in terms of the trade of work, how long a certain process would take. And this helps us to plan out our works more efficiently, and this can also give us a tendering advantage with whereby we can use this data to make more informed bids.